I am Dr. Rakesh Dhumare. In this video, we will discuss flow control statements in Python programming. Flow control statements are while statement, for loop statement, and nested loop statement. First, we will discuss for loop statement. For loop statement, this is the syntax of for loop statement. The for loop is another repetitive control structure and is used to execute a set of instructions repeatedly until the condition becomes false. The for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence like list, tuple, string, or other iterable objects. Iterating over a sequence is called as traversal. For loops, for loops are a preset loop. In order to utilize a for loop, you need three things. Needs initialize a counter, must test the counter variable, and third one, it must update the counter variable. This is the syntax of for loop, where for value in a sequence execute the body of for a loop. Here value is the variable that takes the value of the item inside the sequence, and each iteration loop continue until we reach the last item in the sequence. This is the example of for loop. Here list the numbers. Numbers are 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5, 4, 11, and variable to store the sum is equal to 0. Then here it will perform sum of values, where sum is equal to sum of value, and value is the number. It will repeat the same process until it will add the 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5, 4, 11, and you will get the output, which is nothing but the sum. This is the example of for loop, and this is the flowchart where for each item in sequence last item reached, no body for loop, s exit loop. Then second one is called as while loop. While loop statement in Python programming language repeatedly execute a target statement as long as given condition is true. For example, syntax for while loop is while expression is true, then execute these statements. Here enter while loop, test expression. If it is true, body of while loop. If it is false, exit the loop. This is the example of while loop. Here n is equal to 10, initialize sum and counter. Sum is equal to 0, I is equal to 1. Then while I is less than or equal to n, perform summation and add this sum with a I number. I is equal to 1. You have to sum plus 1, sum plus 1. You have to repeat the same thing, and after that you have to print the sum by using the print statement. So this is the while loop. Then nested loop. Python programming language allow us to loop inside another loop. This is called nested loop. Nested loop means what? This is the loop inside loop. This is called as a nested loop. It may be for loop inside for loop or while loop inside while loop. This is called as a nested loop. The example of nested loops, they are given here by using for loop and by using while loop. In for loop, iterating variable in a sequence, and for iterating variable in a sequence, then this for loop, second for loop, it will execute if first condition of first for loop is true. Then this is called as a nested for loop. Then another example of nested loop is nested while loop. This condition, where here it is shown, this condition is executed while expression statements if the condition of first while statement is true. Correct? So this is called as nested loop. So this is the example of nested loop is code or loop used in a ATM. Let's code in a program in a Python that effectively simulate a bank ATM. Now here there are four options. First one, enter the 4-digit PIN, check balance, make a withdrawal, pay in, or return card. So these are the four conditions given. If one of the condition is true, then execute the again loop available in these four options. So this is called as a nested loop. So thank you. This is about the nested loop.